Amazon is a virtual world where opportunities are endless. Today, we're diving into what Amazon is and how we can use it as a source of income while sitting at home. Amazon isn't just a marketplace, it's a global platform that connects sellers with millions of customers. Imagine your products reaching corners of the world you've never been to. There are many ways to make money on Amazon, whether you're selling something or not. Whatever skills or resources you have at your disposal, here are some ways that Amazon can help you to generate income. Sell a service. Start your own Amazon FBA business. Sell in-store products online. Create and sell your own brand. Become a wholesaler. Sell inexpensive products online for profit. And customer service also means that your products are in good hands, and so are your earnings. Thanks for watching.